All right, I got a baby coming over for dinner tonight that I didn't know about. I do not want to make 2 different meals for dinner. So I'm going to show you how you can use a family meal and modify parts of it for baby-led weaning. All right, let's see what's in the fridge. Be careful. So I got a new deep fryer, and so I fried a turkey the other day. I've got some leftover fried turkey. I'm going to serve the baby the dark meat, legs, wings, or thighs. Adults can have the breast, but it's too dry for babies to have. Now, on top of the turkey, my mom made some gravy, but the way my mom makes gravy has tons of salt in it. So we're not going to do the salty gravy for the baby. Adults can have the gravy, but what I'm going to do for the baby is I've got some leftover, no added salt broth. I'm going to add that to the strips of meat. It makes the meat a little bit more moist and a lot safer and easier for the baby to eat. All right, what about the starch? I also did some smashed potatoes. These are amazing, but before I add any salt, I'm gonna portion out some of the plain potatoes, removing the skin and cutting them in strips for the baby. Then for the adults, I'm gonna put some salt on them and crisp them up for us, but we don't do crispy or crunchy foods for babies. All right, what about vegetables? Well, for the adults, I got a chopped salad here, all ready to go, but we don't do salad or raw leafy greens for babies, so I'm gonna make a substitution. I still want the baby to have a vegetable. Luckily, I got one lone zucchini here in the fridge. I'm gonna do some steamed zucchini strips for the baby, remove the skin, no salt, and they can have vegetables. All right, so crisis averted, dinner is ready. For the baby, I got some strips of this plain potato, no salt, a little broth on there. Got some of the dark meat of turkey strips. We'll see how the baby does with that. Added some broth for extra moisture, and then did some of the steamed zucchini strips. That's something you could serve to a baby as young as 6 months of age. Got some bigger kids coming, so I got a larger portion of the potatoes. We got some turkey, did a little bit of gravy for them. You know, kids love gravy. And then we're gonna see how they do with salad. And then the adult plate is here, but I'm excited because we're all gonna eat together and I didn't have to short order cook for the baby.